Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing subscription unbagging. Looks like it came unwrapped, but normally there's a couple bundles with little stickers on them and they're wrapped in pink tissue paper. So I have two bundles. Here's some, looks like pants with cute little detailing on it. And how this works is you get a variety of clothing and some jewelry, and then if you like it and you want to keep it, you keep it, and they only charge you for what you keep. If you don't like anything, you just put it back in the bag with a little prepaid envelope and send it back. So these are really stretchy, it looks like comfy leggings. Those are pretty cool. Also have, ooh, these are really soft. I've said this before, but I've gotten a couple pair of shorts that are like this material, and sometimes they do have crazy prints on them, but they are the most comfy things ever. I wear them to bed and around the house, and this has like a faded, it almost reminds me of like wallpaper in a haunted house, which is kind of silly, but I like it. So those are from Legging Depot, and it's a one size fits all. They're very stretchy. It's an interesting print, so I'll definitely wear that around the house. Then there is a piece of jewelry in there, which we'll look at in just a second. I think this is a dress because it looks rather long. I do not own anything this color, but I have gotten a couple dresses like this. It's just like a real oversized, almost like a t-shirt, and it kind of like spans out, swoops out rather. I feel like the color purple through my viewfinder is not the accurate color purple in person. This is like a grimace purple. So yeah, that will go, you can wear it with leggings, however you want to do that. And I will insert full pictures at the end so that you can see them, what they look like, because I know I'm pretty zoomed in at this point. But here we have a necklace, very long adjustable chain, and it's just cool. It has this cool blue stone on it. That's pretty neat. That would go with anything. So that's cute. And then we have a bundle over here. These look like nice summer colors. This is a little see-through, so I feel like I'd have to put something under it, but it's navy and white striped, and the sleeve is pinned up a little bit. It's very cute. Definitely my style of clothing. I wear just a lot of plain shirts like that. Ooh, this one's really nice. I love this coral color, and it has a v-neck. It's a real light material, and I think this would look really cute with khakis for summer. And again, it's not too like tight fitting or anything, so nice little summer shirt. So that's cool. So that's what I got this month. If you guys want to try it, I do have a code for free shipping that I'll link below. And you can see previous unboxings. I have a whole playlist on my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.